Good morning, guys! We have a very early bike trail today to Wormerveer. Beginning to look a lot like spring, guys. You know, like winds everywhere. Oh my god. Like strong winds, guys. I couldn't even fly my drone. We're waiting, guys, for the light to turn green, but it's still red. Hello guys, the road is deserted. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Hey guys, we're standing in front of Subway. We had to order some stuff and now we are going.
The Netherlands, home to about 1.6 million cows, over 1,000 windmills, some of which still being used for drainage. With over 24,500 species of animals, one might only associate the Netherlands with the wooden shoes and cheese or the tulips, as the Dutch are famous to produce 2 billion tulips every year. And what about their architecture? Well, the Dutch architecture is better recognized, according to my research, as the Dutch colonial style. I have been living here in the Netherlands for the past 6 years, running 7. But every time I go out, I am still in awe and wonder of the Dutch ingenuity, their unfailing innovation, and their brilliance for such a small country.